Hello students, today we are going to learn about family and community. In our big world, there are many communities and one of them is our family. But what is a family? Imagine living alone with no family or friends. It would be lonely. Families give love and care. They teach sharing and kindness. Communities are big families. They help, celebrate and keep traditions. Family. Family is the oldest and most important part of society. In India, there are different types of families. Joint family. Many generations live together, including grandparents, uncles, aunts, and cousins. Nuclear family. Parents and children live together. Sometimes, only one parent is there. Indian languages have special words for family members like bua, aunt, and chacha, uncle, in Hindi. But in many Indian languages, there is no word for cousin. They are just called brothers and sisters. Families are made up of different people, young and old. All people in a family are called family members. Let's discuss the roles and responsibilities of a family. Family bonds. Family members love and care for each other. They work together and help one another. Everyone has their own special job in the family. Cooperation. Cooperation means helping and working together. Each family member does their part to make everything run smoothly. Parents' role. Parents help their children grow up to be happy and responsible. They guide their kids so they can contribute to society. Children's responsibilities. As children get older, they help their parents and siblings with tasks around the house. It's important to pitch in. Learning family traditions. Kids learn how to be a part of family life by following traditions passed down from their elders. Dharma. In Indian culture, dharma means doing what is right and following your duties. It's important to always choose what's good. Family as a school. A family teaches kids important values like kindness, sharing, helping others, and making sacrifices. Love and care. Family members care for each other because they love each other. They support one another through thick and thin. Story of Shalini's family in Kerala. Shalini lives in Kerala with her father, who has a small business, and her mother, who is a teacher. They are preparing for Onam. Shalini's grandmother tells her father that his brother can't buy new clothes for the festival. So, when they go shopping, Shalini's parents decide to buy clothes for everyone, including her uncle and cousin. Shalini doesn't get the fancy dress she wanted, but instead, a simple cotton one. Achamma explains that families help each other, and Shalini feels happy knowing everyone will have new clothes for Onam. Tenzing's life in Meghalaya. Tenzing lives in a village in Meghalaya where he loves the mountains. His father runs a small grocery store, and his mother makes traditional crafts for tourists. Tenzing's father also helps at home, cleaning, gardening, and cooking with help from Tenzing's grandmother. Grandmother tells him interesting stories, while grandfather helps with homework and does social work, like helping neighbors during power cuts. Community. A community is a network of families and individuals connected through common bonds. People come together for celebrations like festivals, weddings, and events. In rural areas, people help with farming tasks like preparing land, sowing seeds, and harvesting crops. Communities share natural resources like water, grazing lands, and forest products, especially in tribal areas. Helping children learn. Kamal Parmar's story. Kamal Parmar ran a small workshop in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. He saw many poor children on the streets, some of whom didn't attend school. Kamal decided to help by teaching these children from 5:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. every day. He also provided them with free dinner daily. His classes became popular, and around 150 children attended regularly, eager to learn. Support from teachers and older students. Teachers from a nearby school saw Kamal's classes and wanted to help. One teacher noticed that even without proper benches or a quiet place, the children were very focused. The teacher felt inspired by the children's hard work and connected with them. Older students from regular schools also joined to help teach. One older student said they learned a lot from the younger children too, not just teaching them. Kamal's selfless dedication showed how one person's effort can light up the future of many children. New types of communities. In the past 30 to 40 years, new types of communities have formed, like residents' welfare associations in cities. These communities create their own rules on issues like waste management, cleanliness, and pet care. Members work together to set these guidelines. Residents' welfare associations also depend on other groups, such as traders and municipal workers, for supplies and services. This shows how different communities are connected in society. A community can be based on jati, religion, region, profession, or interests, like Mumbai's Parsi community or Kerala's scientific community. In school, you can be part of various communities like your class, sports teams, or clubs like the National Service Scheme and the National Cadet Corps. Examples of community support and environmental care. Jhabua, Madhya Pradesh, the region faced a water problem every year. Bhil Community Action. The Bhil community, following their tradition of helping each other, decided to take action for the environment and their people. Tree planting. They planted thousands of trees in many villages. Water conservation. They dug trenches and built structures to collect rainwater. Community service. They did this work as a duty to their community and the environment, not for money. Acknowledgement. In 2019, Shri Mahesh Sharma from the Shivganga movement was awarded the Padma Shri for his work with the Bhil community. Chennai floods 2015, the floods made roads impassable and closed many shops. Community response. Many private groups, especially religious and spiritual organizations, came together to cook and give food to those in need. Conclusion. Family and community are key to our well-being. Families teach love, care, and responsibility, while communities offer support. Working together in both family and community creates a stronger, happier world.